A&S Studios. One sad nerd.
What's the matter, Billy?
I can't tell you.
Come on, I'll buy you a brand new pack of 64 crayons. That's a good deal, man.
Well,
Just tell us, come on.
I guess I can.
Just tell us.
I guess, I don't know.
Come on,
No.
I'll even throw in some color sheets.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Come on, Kenny, Billy, Bob. That's your right name, isn't it?
No.
What's your real name then?
I forgot it.
You forgot it?
I got a B. I'm so stupid.
What kind of bee?
A good B.
You got a good bee?
Yeah.
Well, that's not so bad. Your parents won't kill you.
My parents gonna slap me in the butt.
But I remember last time. You just might get grounded for a year this time. Because I remember you got an A- last time.
Oh.
You were grounded
I think it was for a week.
for a week.
I think we should play a game to cheer us up.
Let's play patty cake.
I like that.
You like patty cake? Come on, Kenny.
Right.
Kenny, Billy, Bob. Come on, let's play some patty cake.
I can't handle it. Get off of me.
You hold yourself. Oh my God. You hold yourself. You hold yourself.
You get a hold of yourself.
Yeah,
You try to tell us what to do.
I want fuckers on you. You gonna kick me or what?
Don't kick him. Don't kick him. One.
You can kick me. Stop it.
20 pounds on me, too much. 20 pounds too much. How about 50 pounds too much, huh?
Guys, I'm getting kind of tired.
I can't get up.